Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Agentora token. Now this token is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, March 16th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Agentora AI is at the frontier of GameFi and AI convergence. Agentora pioneers a digital civilization ecosystem powered by autonomous AI agents, where every player acts as a neural synapse, co-weaving a decentralized intelligence network. And this token is being listed tomorrow, March 16th, 8 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. You would go into the trade section and you would search ATAT and then simply just buy the token. Now the actual ticker symbol for this token is ATA, but there was probably already a token on Mexc with the ticker symbol ATA. So they changed it to ATA, and then the last T stands for token. So that's how you would find it on Mexc, ATAT. But if you're looking for their BSC scan, you're going to see it as ATA on the BSC scan. Now, right now they have 1,193 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 2 billion tokens. Now, I'm going to put their Twitter up right in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Agentora_AI. You can see there's a full link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. They have the web page, white paper, Telegram, Twitter. All of those are linked on the link tree there. And it says here, the first AI native autonomous metaverse, Agentora. At the forefront of GameFi and AI, Agentora pioneers a digital ecosystem powered by autonomous AI agents where players co-create a decentralized intelligence network. Now it says, coming soon for Android and iOS, they have a game called Battle of Braves, and you can check out information on that on their webpage. Now it says here, we stand at a pivotal juncture in the evolution of digital civilization. Traditional GameFi economic models are crumbling, and the once vibrant imagination of virtual worlds is being shifted by the rigid constraints of centralized control and the monotonous repetition of numerical games. Players find themselves confined within the iron cage of predetermined rules, while developers are mired in the quagmire of inflationary spirals. The core spirit of Web3, which once promised so much, is gradually losing its luster in this collective quagmire. Agentora was born out of the revolutionary question What if the rules of the game were no longer set in stone by centralized authorities, but instead evolved dynamically through the ongoing interactions between players and AI agents? This is not just another superficial experiment in combining AI with blockchain. We have laid the foundation of our universe with the bedrock of cryptography and the sinews of machine learning, creating the first on-chain ecosystem that possesses true self-awareness. Here, the economic laws breathe. This dynamic game engine based on reinforcement learning creates an organic resonance between token liquidity, NFT output, and market demand. Here, digital life evolves. Players, AI companions, neuro agents break through the individual data silos through the federated learning framework, awakening the collective intelligence. Here, governance powers the programmable. Each DAO vote not only determines parameter adjustments, but also trains the entire ecosystem's cognitive boundaries. We have invested $1.32 million in constructing the ZK-ML, which is the Zero Knowledge Machine Learning Verification Protocol, to address a fundamental contradiction where AI is granted autonomy. How can we ensure it never betrays the spirit of blockchain? The answer lies in the cutting-edge triple trust verification system. Every AI decision carries a traceable model fingerprint. Every rule evolution is tempered by on-chain governance, and every evolutionary path retains the human emergency override. This is not just a technological revolution, but a genetic combination of digital civilization. Agentora will demonstrate that when artificial intelligence is deeply integrated with decentralized governance, a virtual world can emerge with an order that transcends human precepts. Now, this proposition, the traditional GameFi has deemed as impossible trinity, freedom and sustainability, complexity and fairness, evolutionary power, and controllability are all finding reconciliation within our sandbox. At the moment, we invite you to join us in this unprecedented social experiment. Press the start button and witness how truly living digital universes are born from chaos. Now, this token here, like I said, it's on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, how it's split up here, 20% of the tokens go to the public sale, 15% go to team and advisors, 30% ecosystem and community rewards, 15% strategic partners and partnerships, partners and partnerships, that's funny, and 20% platform, reserve, and fund. And this token here, today, there is a Kickstarter event going on Mexc Global, where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops. And there is a reward pool available of 60,000 USDT. And then tomorrow is the full listing on Mexc. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.